and you guys can all do it, and you can all do it. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel probably. I'm Lindsay, and today we're going to be making a plaid skirt out of a plaid shirt. So it's going to be super easy. All you're going to need really is a plaid shirt. Just make sure that it ain't too big. You want it to kind of be a little fitted, just because you don't want your skirt to be like 3 times the size of you. So try to get one that's like a shirt size. So without further ado, let's get on with the DIY. Here's the shirt that I'm using. You can see it's not too oversized and it fits pretty well, so that's the kind of size you're looking for. To measure the waistband, you're going to take the elastic and put it around your waist at the place that you want your skirt to sit, and then cut it there. Now we're going to cut the bottom off of the shirt to make the skirt. So you can either put the skirt against yourself and mark how long you want it, or you can use another skirt that you already own as sort of a guide and use that to mark it. That's what I ended up using. I just found it was more accurate. So you're not going to cut right where the top of your other skirt is. You're actually going to go up a bit because you need room for your elastic to fit into your skirt. So make sure you allow 2 times the size of your elastic from where you're going to cut. Now flip your skirt inside out so you can make the hem, because you don't want it to be folding towards the outside where you can see. You want it to be folding towards the inside where it's hidden. You're going to fold the skirt over the elastic and give it around another 1/2 inch below where the elastic is, so you have room to sew. Now take sewing pins. I just got these from the dollar store, so you can probably find them really easily, and pin down your hem. Before you sew it, I just wanted to show you how we're going to be putting the elastic through that hem, so it's really important to make sure you don't make the hem too small so the elastic doesn't fit. Now sew a straight stitch all the way around your skirt. Take the elastic that you cut and put a safety pin on the end so it's easier to thread it through the skirt. Now simply thread the elastic through the skirt. Pull the elastic all the way through the skirt and then sew down the 2 ends. Once you sew down the 2 ends, hide them by pulling them through the skirt a little bit, and then you're all done. Alright, thanks so much for watching, and if you made your own plaid skirt, please comment below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and press subscribe to see a bunch more videos coming your way. Alright, see you next week and have a wonderful day!